5 tips for accessible web photo galleries in just 60 seconds. First, ensure your photo gallery is keyboard navigable. Users should be able to navigate through images and interact with controls using just their keyboard. Include descriptive alt text for each image. This text should convey the content and purpose of the image for users who can't see it. Label your gallery's buttons and controls clearly. Ensure screen readers can convey their purpose to users. Use visible focus indicators. They help keyboard users see where they are in the gallery and which image is currently selected. Consider using ARIA roles and attributes for complex galleries. They provide extra information to assistive technologies. Like, share, and subscribe for more tips on web accessibility and inclusive design. Let's build a web that's beautiful and accessible to all.